And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show the add method. It can be used to access elements at specific positions in an array. I'll create an array using different colors. Looks like this. Let ARR, which is the name of it, equals then square brackets. Inside I add the colors using quotation marks. Let me print it out to see if I've got it set up properly. So it's document.write, regular brackets, and inside ARR for our array name. And it runs. Now we'll add the add method. Let's just say we want to access blue. So we use .add, and blue is the third color. But if we type in 3, we get white. And this is because add uses the index count, and the index starts at 0. So it doesn't give you the third element, it gives you the element that has the index of 3, and that is actually white. So if we want to have blue, we need the 2, because red is at 0, green at 1, blue at 2. Yellow would be 4, and if we go higher, there's nothing, we will get undefined. And this is how you can use the add method for arrays in JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.